because that time I was very shy and introvert, and I was facing a lot of challenges just because of my this nature in my workplace. So this
Yeah.
is how I started, and gradually I realized that teaching mathematics, I was taking a lot of my time. It was taking a lot of my time to, you can understand that first I need to recall each and everything again, because now we are not in touch with mathematics a lot.
Yes.
So that's why. So suddenly I shifted to English language because so very good morning.
Yeah. Very good morning to you. Thank
Okay,
you.
how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well, thank you. Okay, so how was your morning today?
Yeah, morning was as usual. Nothing new. Yeah, quite hectic because my husband went for some new work. There was some work which was very urgent. So I had to prepare food so early. So yeah, it was little bit hectic when you do anything apart from your daily routine. So you need a kind of management, time management. Yeah, but
Yes.
now relax. I am enjoying my time.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so before starting, can we introduce each other first?
Yeah, definitely. It's very necessary to have a conversation first. Start with the introduction. So I'm starting with myself. My name is Poonam Shukla. I'm a homemaker and simultaneously I'm running a YouTube channel to use my leisure time. And if I talk about my family, I have three members, my husband, my daughter and me. As far as my education is concerned, I have done masters in science. And if I talk about my experiences, I worked as a team leader in a BPO and as an insurance advisor and for a couple of months as a teacher. That is all about me.
Okay, that's nice. I think I missed. Where are you from?
I'm from, I didn't tell you actually, I born and brought up. I hail from basically Kanpur, but right now I am connecting you from Delhi.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's cool. Okay, so now it's my turn.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Okay, so my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have completed my engineering in IT stream, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube for past 2 years. If I'll talk about my hobbies, I love drawing, dancing and traveling. That's all about me.
Okay, you have lot of in your plate, I think.
Yeah, you can say. But
So,
yeah, I'm enjoying both the things because when you do something that you are really interested in, so definitely you enjoy those works, right?
yeah, very well said. Because if you are interested in something somewhere, somehow you manage your time. That time we don't make excuses that I am running short of time, I don't have time. But when you enjoy something, you somehow you manage your time. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
exactly.
is the best thing. Okay. So I just want to know, Tanuja, one thing that as you are running your YouTube channel.
Mhm.
So did you start your YouTube channel to enhance your communication or there was any other specific reason?
Okay, so to be honest, I had started my channel just to build my confidence level. And when I had started my channel, so I started with mathematics, teaching mathematics subject first. And I just thought if I'll shoot videos or maybe if I'll face camera so that I will build my confidence. In this way, I can build my confidence because that time I was very shy and introvert. And I was facing a lot of challenges just because of my this nature in my workplace. So this
Yeah.
is how I started, and gradually I realized that teaching mathematics, I was taking a lot of my time. It was taking a lot of my time to, you can understand that first I need to recall each and everything again, because now we are not in touch with mathematics a lot.
Yes.
So that's why. So suddenly I shifted to English language because I realized that it is important in my workplace also. So that I shifted to English language, and I got this opportunity to interact with other people, like strangers. So just that only I thought this is the good way to improve my confidence level, because if I'll face other people, so definitely it's a good way. So this is how I started.
Yeah, actually, if you are running your own YouTube channel, especially in English, so if
Mhm.
you are weak in that particular point, or if you are looking for the confidence and other thing, so if you are opening your channel, it would be like killing two birds with one stone. You are running your channel, you are gaining confidence, and simultaneously you are enhancing your skill also, which can help you in your workplace also. So it is a giving you double benefit. Yeah, I can understand because I also started my channel like making grammar videos. But self teach is a different thing and making other understand and making video is quite different. When we
Yeah.
start making video, we feel like that we are lacking many points and we cannot go wrong. That is the main reason. So we need to be specific for each and everything in from the articles to the preposition. Everything should be correct.
Yeah.
While speaking, we can make mistake. This is okay, but when you are making other understand and you are teaching something, you have to be correct. So yeah, it take a lot of time, and I have faced this for making one video. Initially, I was quite new. I used to take lot of retake, even for
Mm-hmm.
initial lines. For one or two line, I used to say, okay, if this was not right, I have to do it again. I have to do it again. Then from one video, I got an idea that you don't need to cut it again and again. You just keep on continue, and after editing, during editing, you can cut that part. From that point, somewhere I was able to manage the thing smoothly. Yeah, so it's
Mm.
quite challenging to making video related to. Yeah, but English is a thing which will captivate others. So you get more popularity through the English. If you talk about math or science video, you will get the less audience.
Exactly. Because, I don't have to, just teach others because, now we are doing this kind of English conversation. So I think it's a lot of benefit for me as well because we are listening to other people, their perspective about everything. We are just getting chance to, enhance our current affairs also. Like some people talk
Yeah.
about, particular topic about their cities, state, so we get a lot of chance to learn these things as well, and this is important, I think, about every news, like global news as well, so we get a lot of things in
Yeah,
this
this
way.
another benefit I can say, this add on, because not only we are getting confidence, not only we are enhancing our communication, but we get chance to interact the people from the all over the world, and especially India. And this way we get to know about the culture. There are many rituals and customs we are not aware of, and there are many cities people tell about what is famous in these cities and what are the ritual, what are the custom they are following. So this way it's sometimes it's become interesting to having a conversation, such kind of thing.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Okay, have you ever been to other states or cities apart from your state?
Yeah, yeah. I have been to, because I like to explore. So
Mhm.
I have itchy feet. So whenever I get time, or my money permits me or time permits me, we always try to explore. Basically, hilly stations like Himachal. Like I have explored many, like Shimla, Nainital, and Dehradun, Mussoorie, Kashmir, Goa, and Jagannath, Odisha. So
Okay.
so many. Vaishno Devi, I have been to there like I think 6 times, more than 6 times.
That's nice. Even I want to visit there, like Vaishno Devi temple. But I don't know. Some people say that when Mata Rani will call you, then only you can go there. Because I'm trying for very long time, but I don't know what happens. We are not able to go there because of some reason. Especially me, like in my family, my parents went there, but I'm just trying to go there, but I'm not getting that chance. So
You
that's
know,
why.
when people say such kind of thing, then we realize that how lucky we are. Because this, if I talk about myself, I have been to there for the 6 time, more than 6 times. So it's like not a big deal for me. When it's come to go to the Vaishno Devi, I said, okay, I have been to there many several times. So I need to explore some other places, because
Yes.
I got that opportunity. So now I am feeling blessed, because I have seen, despite having money, time, people are not able to go there
Yeah,
because Mata
exactly.
is not calling them. So
Mhm.
this way, it's give me matlab, a kind of positive vibe. So I should consider myself blessed, because like
Mhm.
you are having everything. It's not like that you cannot go. There is no money problem. There is no something. But
Yes.
you haven't, girl Mata Rani haven't make a call for you. So
Yes.
few days back also I got connected with a guy, and he was saying the same thing. Mama, I am desperate to go there, but I don't know what is happening. I am not able to make it. So
Yeah, yeah. So it happens.
I I am feeling blessed really that I have been to there for 6 times.
Yes, yes. Really, you are lucky because like now we have everything like money and time. Also, we can manage for 3 to 4 days, but I
Oh,
still not getting chance to go there. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my time when it will come.
yeah, I can relate with that one. There was a time when I missed my opportunity to go to Amarnath. My
Okay.
whole family was going to Amarnath, and that was the time when I was moving to Delhi. So when
Okay.
it was sudden, and I have to move to Delhi because of my husband job. So when I was moving here, then my other family members, because the ticket was already booked, so they cannot cancel it. So they went to Amarnath, despite me and my mother. Because being a
Okay.
mother, she cannot left me alone. So she sacrificed that too, and she came with me. So this was a thing. And I didn't get the opportunity to go there again. And now I am a baby, so I think it would not be a great thing to go there. People are not advising along with the kids you should go. I'm waiting for she grow up. Then definitely I have a desire to go to Amarnath.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, definitely. And I
Amarnath.
think we should explore such kind of places because, we should do some other things as well, like some other activities. Because now just we feel that if you are doing same things again and again, like it's kind of monotonous. Like we are just working for like 5 to 6 days and doing nothing and not doing some other activities. So it looks like boring, we can say.
Life become monotonous. And if money permits you, if your financial condition permits you, so I can rather than spending on luxury, fancy clothes, we should all try to explore such kind of things. These things not only enhance our personality, enhance our knowledge, but it also help us to calm down. Because when you
Yeah.
explore such kind of things, we meet and we meet our the richness of our culture. So it also helped me. So I always prefer not to visit to any relative's home. If my relative is in that particular place, I always avoid to go to their home. Because why I am going there, I am going to refresh myself. And being relative wise means like gossiping, chewing the fat, and such kind of things. So I just always try to refrain myself from such kind of things. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, since Corona, I think people change their mentality because life is unpredictable. You can't judge what can happen in the next moment. So whatever time you have, try to make if time permits. It's all depend upon money and all kinds of things.
Yes,
If
yes,
you
yes.
don't have, you cannot do. But if you have and you can save some money rather than spending on your jewelry and fancy clothes, I prefer to go to the explore new places. This is the thing which I always demand with my husband. In my this anniversary, I like to visit that place. And in
Mm.
fifth anniversary, I have a desire to go Andaman and Nicobar.
Okay.
This is my
And like my parents also say when it comes to go to our native place, like we basically from Bihar. So my parents say when we call you to go there, so you just say like I will not get leave for that. And when it comes to visiting other place, so you just say yes, I can go there.
yeah. And I think one reason could be your marriage also.
Yes, that's why they call me to go there.
Yeah, that is could be a reason because when you are living in such kind of places, the people's biggest concern is to make others settle down because they think once girl get married, that is the best and safest and the biggest opportunity for her. So they always try to find out the match for her. So
Yes.
when you go to explore, nobody will ask you whether you are married or not married. But when you go to your native place, first question when you are going to get married.
Yes, and in our place, to be honest, like in our place, we basically from the village area. So there, what happens? They get married to their daughters in very early age, 18 or 19, like this. And in my case, like I'm living in city since my childhood. So here, I don't have anybody that who will force me to do marriage now. Even my parents don't force me. Like when you will be comfortable, then only we will go ahead. So this is how their mentality had changed here. So yeah, and whenever I go there in my native place, so everybody calls me like, now you are in that age, so why are you not getting married?
Yeah,
So,
it's happened. If I talk about myself, after 2 years of my marriage, I shifted to, as I told you, Delhi. That time I was having any baby after 2 years of marriage. So I switched to, I came Delhi and I waited for 11 years. But luckily, if I were in my native place, like Kanpur,
mhm,
so things would be more challenging for me compared to the I was living in Delhi. So those
mhm.
11 years I passed very smoothly. But if I were in my native place, na, people leave no stone unturned to make my life hell. They used to ask me to do such kind of things, to do fast, to mannat and such kind of things. So luckily I was in Delhi, so I saved myself from those taunting tasks and those provoking comments. The people are tend to do. They cannot see anything. I am happy with my life, so they are thinking that why she's happy. she's not having any baby and she's still happy. How it could be possible? So they
Mhm.
also, poke you. Yeah, you should be a baby. And once you have one baby, they will ask for another baby.
Yes, yes.
Have certain fundas, keep on pushing you for something. Yeah, but we
Mhm.
cannot. We are a part of society.
But I think it should be like up to us only. Like whenever we are comfortable for that thing, so then only we should go ahead. And about that other people's perspective, like they are just saying that you should marry in this age or like this, or you should have babies. So, like if you are not ready for that, so if you are listening to other people, so that's not good, according to me.
Yeah, we know that, but we are human beings. These are type of comments. If you keep on getting now, sometimes it's for our mental strength.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes we get distracted. We don't wanna, but yeah, it's happened. We are human beings. So yeah, we should avoid this kind of thing. We cannot change people mentality. So this is the best thing to change ourselves. Ignore those kind of things. They are tend to do such kind of things. So let them do. So Adna, Tanuja, I just want to know that maybe someday or the other you would definitely do marriage. So what kind of partner you are looking for?
Okay, so I have some. I just think about some qualities that person should have. So first, I think that the guy should be in the same field. Like I'm working in IT company, so if I'll get the boy who is in the same field, so that would be a benefit for me. So that we can discuss on the work as well. And yeah, definitely he should be like caring and responsible, like intelligent also, like because I just feel that I'm not that much of mature enough, so I just feel that if boy would be like this, so he can handle me as well.
Yeah, this is very right thing. If you know your weakness and you are looking for a partner, partner is itself a things. But what is partnership? Partnership is like balancing life. If someone is lacking somewhere, if you have a strong partner, he or she would be able to manage it. So this
Yeah.
is the best quality. If you know that I am weak in certain point, and if I would have a partner who can hold me and who can, balance all the things. So this is a good thing.